guys, how's it going? Just another video here today. So today I'm actually going to be doing a Turbosmart VP blow-off valve on my Fiesta ST. So it's actually going to be going in the symposer port location, so it's also a symposer port delete at the same time. So first of all, before I get into anything, I just want to say if you guys enjoy some of the content I post, make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel. And that's pretty much it. We're just going to dive right into the video. Hey guys, how's it going? Just another night here in the garage, except tonight I'm in the little attached garage. It's very dark, very hot, like it is in the other garage, as far as heat goes. So tonight I'm going to be doing a Turbosmart VP blow-off valve. This goes in the symposer port spot for the Fiesta ST. So what I'm going to have to do, well, I already have the wheel off, but I'm going to have to pull the boost bypass valve out of the turbo, and then put this block off plate on here from Turbosmart. And then I have a little map adapter right there. It's got a hose coming off of it. I'm gonna have to wait to finish this until tomorrow because the little threaded port that I have, for some reason the plug that I have for that port does not fit, so I'm gonna have to run to the hardware store in the morning. And then the only other thing to do is to pull the symposer port area off of the car and then put the blow-off valve on. So in theory, relatively easy. We'll see how it goes. Okay, so the factory bypass valve is out. It's right here on the ground. Get my light on here. It's dark in here. So factory bypass valve right there. Going to use the block off plate here in its place. So literally it's hard to see. You really can't see it at all, but essentially in this little opening right here, right up in front of my hand and up, is the turbo. And so you gotta use basically just a long extension. Yep, so we're gonna get this piece on and then go on to the next step after that. Alright, and then right there you can see the block off on the old bypass valve position. Okay, so that was fairly straightforward. Now I'm going to do the symposer port. These freaking flies are so annoying. I'm going to do also the map extension or adapter or whatever you want to call it, but I'm not going to be able to get that all buttoned up tonight. But we're just going to do what we can do, and then I'll finish up the rest in the morning. Alright, so the blow-off valve is on. I still have to do the map adapter in the morning, but for now, here's how it looks. So just goes right off of the symposer. Goes right off of the symposer hose there, and then here's your vacuum reference tube. This will connect to the nipple on this map adapter, but I have to get the proper size plug for the side fitting right there. But yeah, so that's it, and then I'm going to get back to this in the morning. Alright guys, so it's a new day. Got the car all done up, blow-off valves working right. got it adjusted kind of where I think it needs to be. So you can see it right down here, and then got your vacuum hose coming up here, and then going to the this is the Turbosmart map adapter. It's got 2 ports for vacuum reference. The issue is, and I've got a whoosh one on the way. I didn't like the Turbosmart one, so the plug that came with it didn't really want to go in that far. It didn't thread in very well and that far at all. So I just taped it up for now with a bunch of Teflon tape and just rammed her, turned her in as far as I could get her. I don't like the way that it mounts either, so I've got a whoosh one coming. I'm going to throw that on once I get it. But this seems to work. It just bothers me. I don't like things being kind of sketchy like that. On my Camaro, it's a little more acceptable, but on here I want it to actually be fairly decent, especially on a car that I drive every day. The less potential issues, the better. But yeah, so I'm going to start her up, give her a couple revs for you guys, and then we're going to get her out on the road and see how loud she really gets. Sounds pretty freaking cool. So, gonna close the hood up. So here we go, second gear. Man, it sounds so freaking cool. I feel like a racer boy, but I love it so much. All right, so there was a quick little drive-by blow-off valve noises for you. Yeah. So anyway, guys, thanks so much for watching. That's it for today. I hope you thought it was pretty enjoyable, kind of cool. It's a little ricey, but I'm definitely happy with it, and it puts a big old smile on my face. I really like it. But anyway, you guys take it easy, have a good one, and I'll see you later. Peace.